you know, as I have mentioned, programs for our deaf and other, we call them very supportive of Phil Spada. And in our...
no longer acceptable.
Okay, sorry.
But since we don't have time anymore for dialogue, I ask you, if possible, as we schedule.
Yeah, sure.
And in the
I'd just like to inform you that we have proposals there, proposal paper which we call the hiring deaf teachers.
I just wanted to add po na yung the proposal identifies three strategies for possibly how to learn how many deaf teachers kasi
of the deaf, for instance. Magkakabayan sa dulo. So, these are some...
So, nandito sa bill ko. I would love to have a copy of that bill from Alden.
Sure.
Pero may long term, we also need to work long term in hearing teachers. It's not that we're getting all the hearing teachers out, but as a very urgent need.
So, do we have enough naman to, non-hearing teachers to teach? For example, math. Yeah, sabi mo, and I'm just thinking, ahead. You will not require them to be let passers, right?
No. That's not
alternative. We're proposing if we are...
Pwede.
But right now po, marami kasing...
Let or not non-let passers?
Marami po kasing teacher education graduates na deaf.
Okay.
Kaya lang nga, ang naging problem niyo, sabi ni Koski, yung left, kasi na the language element of it. Kasi it's a standardized test na hearing people.
Baka pwede ilagay yan kung saan. Just 8 to 12.
Suwabe.
Di ba yung ginagawa ni Kong Mami? Hindi niya makuha.
Mandates its members to render the message faithfully, always conveying the content and the spirit of the message, using the language most readily.
Ako po si Representative Antonio Tino ng ACT Teachers Party List. At narito kami ngayon, nagpatawag ng press con, kaugnay sa panukalang batas.
Kaya yung i-introduce ko ating sarili ko po ay sa the College of St. Benilde supports the House Bill 6079, which amends the use of Filipino Sign Language and recognition as a national language of the deaf community. The government should include all deaf in all its laws and should be used in as a signatory of the UNCRPD to ensure and promote the full realization of all human rights and fundamental freedoms for all persons with disabilities without discrimination of any kind on the basis of disability. The LSCSP recognizes and uses Filipino Sign Language as a medium of instruction in classes for the deaf. It requires faculty members handling deaf classes to learn Filipino Sign Language
and meron silang sariling wika. Ang Philippine Deaf Resource Center bilang pangunahing NGO na mananaliksik na nagsagawa ng research tungkol sa structure ng Filipino Sign Language sa nakaraang dekada ay buong-buong sumusuporta dito sa bill na ito. Dahil kinakailangan na ang paggamit ng Filipino Sign Language ay makikita ng